Hello, everybody. My name is Brian from Avocad Data, and today we've got the newest update of Datagiss. This is our AI application to find roofing leads, home repair leads, renovation, or replacement for interior and exterior homes. All of these are pipelines that lead to one area, lead generation. Through all these pipelines, you can generate lists of leads based on storms and damage and measurements and preconditioned AI rules that you can set up. So first, you'll see we have some leads here in North Dakota from some storms that were happening. How did we get these here? So on our dashboard side, we're able to see today's weather, easily filter and navigate events and damage by state, time range, and city. Within here, we're able to go and take a look at what measurements we have for what parts of the country and get an idea about where we might want to target to find our list of leads. A lot of research tools. You can visually see the rainfall that occurred in different areas and get an idea about which date. So if we look here, it was a very windy day, October 7th. And as a result, probably some trees were blown down, roofs were damaged. When we go to the table view, we can see more specifically the location. And this is more of a research tool just to go and view the alerts themselves. If you click map view, you then load up this view over here, which allows you to pinpoint where different events happened. We can go easily filter on the left if we want to filter by state. We want to filter by alert type and click the button, apply filters. And now we're left with 90 measurements. This we know Kansas has been getting hit pretty significantly recently. So I'm going to go expand the date range to go back to when you use the unified map page, you're able to filter again alerts by date, area, and with this model, you can actually click anywhere on the map and find the leads you're looking for. So I'm going to start off and look in Minnesota. So in the last week, these have been the clusters of alerts. Some of them obviously are in Michigan and Minnesota over here. And this is the storm that just passed by us multiple times a day. We have our AI, proprietary Datagiss AI running in the background. And what Datagiss is doing, it's actually finding all of the measurements within a specific alert. So now when you have all 10,000 alerts within a certain time frame, you aren't going to have to filter by alert type. You'll be able just to view the details. And we can see this is obviously in Alaska. We don't care about that probably, but we'd be able to then get an idea about what the weather was with filters. So if we're looking for stuff that close to flooding, because maybe you're in tiles and maybe you replace floors that have been damaged, we can go take a look at this high wind warning in Kansas, 50, 70 mile an hour gust of wind. So you might have some property damage and power outages, maybe some tree damage and limbs that are going to have to be replaced or removed, I should say. Storm watch. So we'll take a look, view details. So Long Island has some substantial winds right now, 50 mile an hour gusts. This is directly tied to the sea, the water. If you're doing trees or anything of the like, there probably wouldn't be any trees on the water, This runs in the background. We're going to let this keep running and I'll be right back. And now that all those measurements are done, we are going to go navigate over to our consolidated view. We can see our largest hail was in August 9th. We have our 3-inch hail, parting out all the times and dates that were receiving this type of damage. And then if we go look over to our right side, it's snowing. Right now I've got some high measurements. I know it shows rainfall. I have to edit that, but this is actually snow. So I'm going to go over to Minnesota